This is Trapper Cody here. I just got this lever action shotgun. It's a Century Arms PW87. I'm taking the first shots with it using standard Winchester Universal 8-shot. First shots. Doesn't eject the last one ever.
Yeah, I saw it had some ejection problems there.
Yeah, that's where I didn't hit the lever all the way up. Now let's try some. It's this Winchester double-aught Buckshot. Loading this thing's a little awkward.
Oh, you'll get used to it.
You gotta angle the shells down in there.
Playing with any new gun that you get and you don't know much about, it'll go that way.
These guns are imported out of China. Made by the Zhongzhou Machine Works Company.
You got a box up there.
Basically, Norinco.
Are you shooting at the box?
Yeah. You zoomed in on it?
Yep.
Let's walk up and take a look at it. Here's where some of the buckshot's at. Here's all the birdshot. Now I want to try some slugs out of it. See how good of a slug gun this thing actually is.
Trying to keep that box sitting straight up.
Yeah. I like it so far. pretty fun to shoot. I'll be shooting these Federal 1-ounce slugs, 2 3/4 inch.
That box fell over again. Something like a 9-inch steel plate up there, and however big that box is, the target.
I'm going for the plate first.
Alright, I'm zoomed in.
Damn. The barrel's super hot now.
Yeah, it looks like it's hitting low. Yeah, you did a number on those sticks up there.
I don't know if I want to shoot those anymore out of this thing.
Does it hurt?
Oh yeah, it hurts. The kicking thing. Damn, feel how hot that barrel is.
Oh yeah, that is, you could probably cook an egg on that.
Alright, we got one issue.
What?
The handguard's starting to slide forward.
Oh yeah. There was another issue up here we were concerned about. Down in the barrel, the bead, let's see if I can get in on there. The bead on the inside is proud of the inside of the shotgun. And if you stick your finger down in, you can feel it. You're worried about it blowing up. Obviously, it ain't gonna do that, but.
Well, deer slugs. I'm not gonna shoot those out of this. I just want to test what it did.
How's that handguard held on there?
The screws here.
Yeah.
I can just push it back.
We tighten the screws and they put a drop of crazy glue in there or something.
Go take a look where I was hitting. I seen it was hitting a little low. Way low, actually.
Yeah, low by a couple feet probably when you think about how low it is. I can see tell you right now where it was hitting. It was hitting right in there. Target's up there.
Yep.
It knocked it over one time.
I had to aim high for that one.
Yeah. Looks like you hit with the slug right there. You did.
Where at?
You hit with the slug right there on it.
Right there.
Nah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like you did. You hit right there and right there.
Well, more to come later, I guess. Oh, those slugs were...
Battery level low.
Huh?